Okay, now this question was a bit tricky. You've got this thing 4 minus 8 sine squared over 3, and we're supposed to find the maximum value of g. Well, this is a little bit weird looking, but if you think, if I factored 4 out of here, it'd be 1 minus 2 sine squared. Oh, and that's just changes you to cos 2. That's the big trick you've got to see. You see 4 times 1, 4 times 2. 1 minus 2 sine squared, that's the cosine of a double angle. Now, that's a pretty good trick. But the cosine of a double angle, the maximum of cosine is 1. But this is 4/3 times 1. So instead of being 1, the max would be 4/3. Now, if you're going to sketch this thing, you'd go, hey, it's just a cosine graph that goes through a complete wave in 360 degrees divided by 2, 180. So if I'm going to sketch it, it looks like this. That's 180 degrees to go through a complete wave. But the maximum has to be 4/3. Normally the maximum is 1, but the coefficient is 4/3, so the maximum is 4/3. And that's kind of it. Write down the smallest possible value of x for which g will have a maximum interval. Will have a maximum value, the smallest possible value that could happen. Well, let's see right here. We know it. Let's just see. Oh, let me click that here. Hey, the maximum's going to happen at 0 degrees, right? Write down the smallest possible value where it's going to have a maximum. Well, it could be at 0. It could be at 180 degrees. But it kind of looks like, to me, the smallest possible value would be 0 degrees. And I think that's the answer.